most of the time it doesn't work.
So today I'm going to tell you why you need to learn languages and the reasons to learn languages. According to me, these are the most important ones. So if you're looking for a reason, like why should I learn languages, what are the benefits, what am I going to get out of it, is it worth of the money and the time that I'm spending in it? Yes, all of the answers are yes, and I will tell you why. So keep watching the video. So number one is it's going to be like a bonus, a plus point, a skill that you're going to have with you, and it's going to be a lifelong skill. So if you are investing money in it right now, it's going to pay off for the rest of your life. I was kind of searching on Google the habits of the most richest people in the world, and they kind of have these 5 habits that they follow every day, in which one of the habit is to learn a different skill every day. Yes, every day a new skill. So if we kind of think that if we are busy doing something, yes, everybody is busy in their own life, but if the richest people in the world are doing this, why can't you do it? The habit basically was to learn a new skill every day. The skill that I'm talking about is to learn a new language. I don't know why, but people are very unaware about the benefits or the advantages that you have if you know a foreign language. It's just not that you can communicate to another person, it's just not that you are going to explore a different language, or maybe if you treat it as a subject because it was in your school. That is not it. If you know another language, it's going to help you in ways that you cannot even imagine, but it's going to help you in some ways, definitely going to help you. So it's going to act like a bonus skill. Point number 2 is that it's going to give you a better pay. I have done a video on the highly paid jobs if you know foreign languages. Definitely watch that video if you're looking for careers or professions in foreign languages. The point is that you're going to get well paid jobs. So for example, if I have added in my CV a kind of a Microsoft skill that I've learned, adding only a Microsoft skill that I have learned is not going to be that eye-catchy, or it's not going to be that impressive because every second person is doing that. But if you see that I have learned Chinese, I have learned French or German, if you see that on my CV, or any employer will see that on your CV, it's definitely going to be very eye-catching. It's going to be something new. Not every second or third person is learning a foreign language, at least not right now in India particularly. In foreign, of course, they know multiple languages, but in India this is the biggest advantage that you can get. And now that there are so many options available on how you can learn the language, learning a language is going to be really easy if you start now. The third point is that it's going to expand your connection and your network. Networking and building connections is very important if you are somebody who wants to grow in your life. Contacts, networking, connections, all of these things is really helpful. It's actually being really resourceful and helpful. Just who has a lot of networks and connection makes you a powerful human in general. If you want that kind of a personality, you should definitely start learning languages. It develops your personality. It shows you something that you are going to explore within yourself. If you know a language, you're going to get another way of communicating to a person. Like if somebody knows German or Spanish or whichever language it is, any foreign language, you are going to get an opportunity to talk to that person. And it is very impressive if I am a foreigner and if I am in a different nation and that person knows my language and can speak to me in that language. This in itself is super impressive. And of course, how can I forget? It's going to make your travel very authentic and very real. I think we have lost the essence of real and authentic traveling, so get it back. Yes, learning languages is time consuming, it's a process. I mean, come on, you are learning English from your school days and you still kind of mess it up sometimes. You're not going to be perfect in a couple of years or months unless you practice it regularly. You can be perfect. So the question of like how long does it take to learn a language? Am I going to be able to learn in a month, in an hour? No. So be ready to learn for a longer time, but it's going to help you a lot. So if you're traveling to a country and you know its language, even if you know a little bit of its language, before going to any country, talking to people in their own language, it's going to be really memorable. Going to a foreign country and not knowing the language can be a little tricky. Mostly they do not speak English and everything is in their language. So if you want to travel by trains, obviously you will travel by trains, the local transport. To experience all of that, the locals do not speak English, they speak their languages, and if you know these languages, it's going to be so much fun. For example, if you're going to Germany and you kind of know a little bit of German and you communicate, you go there, you make friends, you make German friends, isn't it going to be really nice? Like coming back and be like, oh, I made German friends, I have friends who are German. So definitely try to learn languages if you have travel plans, to make it more authentic and more real. Another reason why you should learn foreign languages is that it will improve your brain. I mean, once after a certain point you kind of stop studying, if you are done your graduation, you start working, or even in your school, it is going to improve your performance, it's going to make you smarter. Obviously, because learning a language is again very tricky and it kind of makes your brain work a lot more than it's going to be working. If you want to get smarter and intelligent and somebody who is using their brains for better performance, better memory, learning a language is the key. Honestly, I am really impressed if a person is speaking a foreign language and I don't know that language. If I know, I will start communicating with that person, but if I don't, I will definitely want to know what he's speaking. That's the point. It makes your personality very interesting. If you are sitting in a group of people, if you're sitting with, you know, your colleagues or anybody, and if you're meeting somebody for the first time, it kind of shows up in your personality that you know something else, you have a skill which is great. It develops you, it develops your personality. That is what I'm trying to say. You are going to be something who's different, who wants to try different things in life. This change in your personality, this development in your personality can happen if you start learning a foreign language. I personally really would like to tell you that you should start learning a language, just because to develop yourself, to see how you can grow, to see what are the opportunities that you can create for yourself. Another reason why you should start learning a foreign language is that can create an opportunity to move abroad. As fancy as it sounds, if you know a foreign language, you can try to kind of accomplish that dream of yours. You can create opportunities for yourself, maybe job, career, professional opportunities. Again, you can watch the video if you want, if you are really interested in creating this opportunity for yourself. If you know a language, there are tons of jobs that you can do. I have mentioned those jobs because you're moving abroad. There are people from around the world who come to study, who come for job, and meeting these people, again, if you know a language, it's going to make your communication so much more better. You can make your life fancy if you decide to. And of course, you're going to know about different cultures around the world. We are kind of stuck around this bubble inside India, and we kind of have seen so many different cultures in India itself, but there are so many different cultures and so many traditions abroad as well that we don't know of. And if you start learning these languages, you are going to gradually know of these and you are going to be surprised. Like, I watch some of the videos when I am learning foreign language, the language videos, and I kind of know a lot of more things than I did before, and I'm learning so much even now after learning a particular language for years. And there are so many languages that I cannot even think of. You can start off with learning the languages which are widely spoken. So that was it. I hope you are encouraged. You want to learn a new language, you want to learn a foreign language, and if you want to, we have courses going on for French, German and Spanish. So start learning now. DM us or comment below. We are always ready to help you with any of your doubts related to foreign languages, traveling. So enroll now for the course, and we even have like the 2-week course going on. So if you are kind of not having a lot of time to invest in learning languages, you can definitely join the 2-week course. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, then comment below, share, subscribe to the channel and share this video. If you want to learn it with your friends, you can share it. See you next time. Bye.